Hi, good evening to everyone watching this video. Let's start off with introducing who I am. I am Zyron S. Ganalan from 5 Aldebaran and this is my performance test in math about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. Addition of decimals. Dustin's parents gave birth to twins named Kate and Brooke. When they were first born, Kate weighed 6.29 pounds and was 20.5 inches tall. And Brooke weighed 7.38 pounds. How much did the babies weigh in total? Since it is asking how much the babies weigh in total, we need to add Kate's weight and Brooke's weight. Also, the 20.5 inches tall is really unnecessary since the problem is only asking how much they weigh and not on how tall they are. Always make sure that the decimal points are lined up. 9 plus 8 is 17. 31. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Bring down the decimal point. 6 plus 7 is 13. So, the answer is 13.67 pounds. Subtraction of decimals. Samuel has 91,541 pesos and 9 centavos in his bank account. He deposits 1,495 pesos and then withdraws 600 pesos and 50 centavos. How much is left in his bank account? Lamuel has 91,541 pesos and 9 centavos. He deposits or he adds another 1,495 pesos. Add like whole numbers. 9 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 0 is 0, bring down the decimal point. 1 plus 5 is 6, 4 plus 9 is 13, so 3 and then carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and then bring down the 9. And then he withdraws or he takes out 600 pesos and 50 centavos. Subtract like whole numbers. 9 minus 0 is 9. 0 minus 5 cannot be. So the 0 will become 10. And then we will borrow from the 6. So the 6 becomes a 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then bring down the decimal point. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 6 cannot be. So the 0 will become 10. And then the 3 will become 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring down the 2 and the 9. So, the answer is 92,435 pesos and 59 centavos. Multiplication of decimals. On average, a human hair grows 1.25 centimeters per month. How long would a strand of hair grow in 3.5 years? Since 1 year is equivalent to 12 months, we can multiply 1.25 to 12. So 1.25 times 12. We multiply like whole numbers. 2 times 5 is 10, so 0, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, which is 5, and 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Then we add these. Bring down the 0. 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 5. Then bring down the 1. Since there are 2 decimal places in 1.25 and there are none in 12, which equals to 2, the product should also have 2 decimal places. So it's 15 centimeters in 1 year. Now we can multiply 15 to 3.5. 5 times 5 is 25, so 5 carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 times 5 is 15, so 5 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we add this, bring down the 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 and then carry 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. Since there are no decimal places in 15, but there are one decimal place in 3.5, so there are one decimal place. So the product should also have one decimal place. So the answer is 52.5 centimeters. Brand sold 3 clothes for 257 pesos and 20 centavos each. Then, he used all of his money he got from selling clothes to buy 2 pairs of shoes. What was the price of each shoe? First, let's multiply 257.20 by 3. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21, so 132. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17, carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Since there is only 2 decimal places in 257.20 and 3 has none, the product should also have 2 decimal places, which is 771.60. Made from selling clothes, 771 pesos and 60 centavos. But then, he used all of his money he got from selling clothes to buy 2 pairs of shoes. What was the price of each shoe? To find how much the price for each shoe, we need to divide 771.60 by 2 because there are 2 pairs. Remember to always put the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the dividend. 7 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the 7, and 17 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Minus, which is 1 again, and so on. So, the answer is 385 pesos and 80 centavos. That's all. Thank you for watching.